gonna play Airplane 3. Just now I just got the good ending. I wasn't recording and now I'm gonna get the secret ending. Okay, if any of you don't know how to get the secret ending, look at my screen. Look. Okay, just wait. Come on. Yeah. No, come on. Yes. Go down. Down, people. Go. Whee! Yay. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna get the green one. Oh wait, you're already allowed to go out. Okay. The green one. Wait, what? People, the girls are also wearing green? That's weird. Okay. Everyone, go. Purple? Oh, come on. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. If someone did not wear the military outfit, they are gonna die. Oh no, she's gonna die. And dead. She's dead. She's dead. Over there, look. I can't zoom my camera anymore. See that brown thing? That's the teddy bear. And I'm gonna give it to Kelly when I survive. When I don't survive, like just now before I get the good ending, I have to do it all over again, and then I got the secret ending. The good ending, not secret yet. Okay, I don't want it. I'll make people do it for me, haha. And also because I don't want to lose health. I will fill the tank once launches. See, look. If you want to get the secret ending, teddy bear. Okay, L. Oh, okay. Here, people, get your teddy bears for secret ending. Cooper already got them. No one else wants them. Okay, she wants it. Go, get it if you want to get the secret ending. Teddy bear. Who wants it? You don't want to get the secret ending? Oh, well, you're never gonna get the cutscene. You're gonna die. Excellent. All the nozzles are connected. Okay. We got it. You're gonna get the secret ending. Hey. Wow. Yes, finally I got it. We are gonna get the secret ending, but we have to say to Ronald, you're going to jail, not be friends. Next time, if I said friends, I am gonna start again until I get it. I will until I get it. Okay. Good. What? Still fake? There. Okay, starting engines. Okay, blah blah blah. Me speak, brain go. Poo! Okay, engine's ready. Opening back door. Where am I? People, don't get under it. People, okay. Okay, we have time. People, get it. 27, we have time, people. Get the teddy. Do you have the teddy? Don't go out. We have more. We don't have much time. Don't get out. Okay, oh, she has it. Oh, wait, she also has it. Do you have it? Do you have it? Oh, he has it. Okay, so, good luck, soldiers. Okay, we are not going for a nap. And, okay. It's a prank, people. It's a prank, people. It's not poison. Just eat it, people. Play this game. Just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat the banana, people. Eat it. It's not poison, people. Eat it. Eat it. Eat. 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 Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Oh, wait. Look. They're saying something. Okay. Oh, I thought you could hear a banana. Okay. It's not poison. Okay, done. I'm not. Oh, wait. You already ended. Okay. Energy for later. That's for you. Okay. Wait. Don't eat a banana. It's poisoned. Nope, fake. Did I just saw an obby? Why? Okay. I love Roblox. I'm playing Roblox for 4 years. 4 years because it's 2021. I played it till this year. Not gonna stop playing it. Okay. Too bad my friend isn't here. I will wake you up when it's time. Time to go sleep, blee, with my teddy. Okay. Are we there? No. Okay. Okay. People, time to wake up. Beep. There's an alarm here. Come on. Wake up, people. Wake up. Nighttime. Inside the storm. Okay. Okay. We're approaching the thing. We are approaching it. We were struck by lightning. Oh no! Oh no, Baba. You're gonna die. No. We are not gonna die. We're not gonna die. Okay. Everyone chill. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover out there. Wait. Out there? Okay, stay in the middle, everyone. In the middle. Stay! Come on, you're gonna die. The storm is getting worse. Okay, the storm is getting worse. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Okay. It's scary. Right, we're gonna get struck by lightning. I forgot. Wait, what? What's going on? Why is there no... Oh, wait, now I get it. People, get out of there! Good old people. Stay here. People, stay. We want to get struck. Oh my god! People don't want to get struck. Oh, he got struck. Okay, people. Those people aren't getting struck. Okay, people. Okay, it looks like everyone got the teddy bear, so they're gonna be stuck. Okay, they're gonna get stuck. So, okay. Oh my god! Yay! We are gonna get out of here in fast. Okay. No, I sure hope there's no skeleton. Wink. I said wink because there is gonna be a skeleton. I've never seen such strong storm. Oh no. Captain, are you seeing this? How are you not seeing this? How are you not seeing this, Captain? You are not seeing this. How are you watching? How are you not seeing it? Please. Okay, that was weird. I'm inside my room. I cannot show my face yet. And I can't do live stream if people give me 10,000 subscribers and likes. Give this video 10,000 thumbs up. Okay, if you can do much better than that, that's good. That's enough. Okay. I will get the secret ending. Okay. Wait, what's happening? I forgot. I didn't pay attention. Okay. General, we are finally here. Okay, perfect. Everyone pay close attention. Pay close attention. We will sneak through the back. Okay. Door and kidnap through the kidnap room. It looks scary. Wait, what? Oh, I don't know that face. Sorry. What? I thought you said you speak Korean. I guess you also know how to speak English because her name is Blue Apple, so it's English. I can't see anything. What's happening? This is it. We are in the plane. Okay. It looks like Ronald covered the door. I'm gonna find the hammer. Hey, not you. I will find it first. Oh, look, we're all gonna get the secret ending. Get me the secret ending. Okay, the secret ending. How to get the secret? If Poncho Kings made a video of how to make and how to do the final ending, then someone did. And Poncho Kings is the creator of this game. And also he has a YouTube channel and also thumbs up to that. Okay. And also subscribe. Okay. How did you get here? Okay. That's not. Oh, I accidentally I accidentally switched off the microphone. Okay, how did you get here? There is no time. Go after him. I need to go after him. We need to save everyone on the plane first. They're noobs. They can't. Oh, right, they can't. Hey, where's the kid? Kid. Boom. Go, everyone. All the noobs are safe. I'm safe in the aircraft. Great. But there is still one left. The captain. I'll step in the spotlight. I want you to get it. I want you to talk. This is it. I have to say, you're going to jail, and then the captain's gone, and I give the teddy to Kelly. Okay. Yes, I did it. I will do it. Yes. All right. We trust you, Shaquille RM27. Yes, thank you for trusting me. Ronald, open the door. We can work this out. I'm sure we cannot work this out. Come on. Open the door. Oh. Ronald, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. It's over, Ronald. You are going to jail for doing this. It's too late for that. Why? Oh, yeah, for that. Emperor's room. Where's the parachute? Give it. General, the captain's room burning. It's burning. Come on, give us the parachute. Just give us the parachute. Give us the parachute. Take this parachute. Give it. Yay, I got it. Okay, we are gonna have a challenge. But General, what about Ronald and the captain? We need to leave, or we will not make it. Oh my god. I can't see. Okay, we have to do it that way. The back emergency door is open. We need to get it. Yes, got it. Yeah! I made it. Yes! I will get the secret ending. Yes! Finally! Yes, I got the secret ending. Yes! I will get the secret ending. Yay! The back emergency. Okay, we know. Okay. We are gonna land safely. I want to land on the plane. Okay, whoosh. Wants to give the teddy to Kelly. Anyone, not me, people. Don't. Not me. I don't want to give it to Kelly. Yay! Wait, I can't. Oh, wait, I landed. Yay! I landed. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay. Hi people. Hello kid. I'm also a kid. Okay. Okay. Where's the? I will get the secret ending. Go. Yes. Yes, I got the secret ending. Whoa! What? What? He made it! I can't believe it. I can't believe it. He made it. Ronald died as a bad person. Okay. At least he won't haunt anyone. Okay, what's gonna happen next? Come on, come on. Okay. Everything went according to the plan. But don't you worry, my child. Oh my God. He's back. Oh no. You will have your revenge. Bad ending? But what? But I guess I won't be getting the secret ending. Yeah. Okay, guys. I guess that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.